The ASUS TUF Gaming F16 packs a powerhouse punch into a sleek laptop design. This thing is ready for anything. Dive headfirst into gaming on Windows 11 powered by the Intel Core i5 processor 13450HX and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU with a Max TGP of 115W and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus. I mean, can you think of anything that would make your daily commute or work from home sessions more enjoyable? Because this laptop makes them all a breeze. Just imagine being able to zip through presentations, crunch numbers, or edit photos without any lag. That's what the F16 delivers, hands down. But let's talk about some of its other amazing features that'll take it from nice to have to can't live without. The TUF Gaming F16 maintains its classic design, boasting a subtle embossed TUF logo on its sleek cover. That's right, this laptop still looks and feels like a high-end gaming rig, but with the same timeless style as your favorite old friend. Now, let's dive into what makes it an immersive experience. The FHD plus 165Hz display with 100% sRGB color draws you into the action. And by you, I mean every gamer out there, whether you're playing Fortnite or Assassin's Creed, this display ensures that your visuals are smooth, vibrant, and totally on point. But what does that really mean for you? It means that no matter where you are or what game you're in the middle of, you can expect a response time that's virtually indistinguishable from the fastest console. No lag, no stuttering, just pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. Another critical aspect of this laptop is its military-grade durability. LSTDA10H tested and certified, it means that your ASUS TUF Gaming F16 will keep on truckin' even in the harshest conditions. Whether you're tossing it around at a music festival or taking it to the gym, this thing's got what it takes. And let's not forget about cooling. We all know how hot gaming laptops can get. But with second-gen ArcFlow fans, full-width heatsink, and full-width vent, the TUF Gaming F16 optimizes cooling performance without sacrificing any of that precious airflow to noise. This thing is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to multitasking. With 16 GB of DDR5 memory and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you can juggle multiple windows, projects, or apps with ease. Whether you're editing videos, crunching spreadsheets, or writing reports, this laptop's got the brains and brawn to keep up. Now that I've gone through all these amazing features, let me just say it again, the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 is ready for anything. It packs a punch of power that'll take your day-to-day life from dull to thrilling, with features like its incredible display, military-grade durability, and top-notch cooling, all wrapped up in a sleek design that's as stylish as it is functional. So what are you waiting for? Check the link below to see where you can get your hands on this beast of a laptop.